To help your L3301 and L3901 series tractor operate at its maximum potential, regularly scheduled maintenance is crucial. Adjusting the tire pressure on your machine is easy to do. Precautions regarding personal protection should be followed as described in your operator's manual. To complete this task, you will need an air compressor and tire pressure gauge. The L-Series tractors are designed to operate on a variety of surfaces. In order to maintain proper traction and load rating, correct inflation is crucial. Pressure should be checked regularly as it naturally drops slowly over the course of time. First, check the pressure using an accurate pressure gauge. Digital gauges have the highest accuracy. If the pressure is low, use a compressor and a tire inflator to add air. If it is too high, use the inflator with the air hose disconnected to reduce the air pressure. Here's a chart to determine the correct air pressure for your specific configuration. Be sure to consult your operator's manual for the proper inflation pressure. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together we do more.